Okay, remove all the mediations. Disconnect this model. Remove all the mediations. Done. Done. What are they saying? Okay, remove all the media, disconnect this. Done. What are they? Don't do the transcribing. Who is doing the transcribing? So we want to introduce the effect of male, female, gender here. So how we can do? Be with me. We will have to go on the original data. Press back. Press back. Yes. Please come on this page. Done? Are you on this page? This side? Both of you? Yeah. Now click on this insurance. This one, data set. Got it? Got this data set? Uh, in this, click on generate groups. Generate groups. Scroll, and you will find this variable. This one, $20. Got it? Dollar. Click on it. Click on it. What do you get? Group underscore $20. Group. What is the question? What they are asking? Can you repeat? You come on this page, the main page, double click on insurance. You will get this data. Got it? Just confirm. Online. Okay. Now click on generate groups, $20. Click on it. Got it? Yes or no? Got it. Now the changes which you have to make, you should be careful in this. What it is giving you? Group underscore $20. You will not remove underscore $20 because it is a reference. You will only remove group and give the name gender. So it will be now known as gender underscore $20. Do this. Please change this much part only, all of you online. Gender. Okay. Now click apply. You will get the information that the data has been split into two parts. Got it? Ella? Gender 1, you want to give the name, and gender 2, you want to give the name. Okay. So click on edit. Click on edit, and on the top, change the group name and give this as male. Apply. लेक्चर बताएं तुमने कॉल जेंडर टू female. Apply. Male and female. Done. Press back. Again go on the model. Again go on the model. Okay, so we will have to again run. We will have to again run. You will have to again run. See the answer in the chat box. You will have to again run. Reliability and validity. We will have to run. You don't have to run it. Is there any blue construct? Any new blue construct appeared? Then why you want to run it? So we will go in bootstrapping. No, we will not go in bootstrapping. Where we will go? Where we will go? So we will go in calculate bootstrap MGA. Bootstrap MGA. Got it? Bootstrap MGA. Click on male, female. Start the calculation. One group male and another female. Done? Okay. क्या हुआ? Path coefficients. Click on path coefficients. Click on path coefficients. You get two tests. One is a parametric test and another is a non-parametric. Normally we go for Welch-Satterway test, non-parametric. The second one, the third one. What is your interpretation? Is it a good result or a bad result? Is it a good result or a bad result? Is it a good result or bad result? Bad है? अच्छा, bad है. Yes, ma'am. Is it a good result or a bad result? Bad. There is no concept of good and bad result here. Why? So what? If everything is red, is it good or bad? If everything is green, is it good or bad?
Here I think it is more about plus and minus.
Then what? So what? If it is red, then what? What is the answer which they are getting? See, if everything is red, it means that there is no significant difference in the path of, there is no significant difference in paths. It means that the treatment which is given by the father to male and female child is same. Both are equal. We don't require different models for different stakeholders. If everything is red.
If everything is green, then we require separate models for each set of stakeholders. Okay. Some are red and some are green. So we will discuss only those path coefficients which are green, in which the path coefficients are different for two groups, male and female. So we will discuss that part. So here, value for the insurance affecting trust in the company is significantly different in male and okay, all other paths are same. So when I'm designing my policies or my advertisement, I have to take care of this path. That value for the insurance is significantly different in male and female. Okay. So you must have seen that in this case, the females are having more path coefficient in comparison to male. So in most of the insurance ad, just try to recall a female widow is shown to emphasize that female give more weightage to insurance vis-a-vis male. Okay. Now, if the path coefficients are different, from where to go? Calculate bootstrapping. Calculate bootstrapping. Click on bootstrapping. Data. Click on data. Now click here male and female. Male and female. Start the calculation. Start the calculation. Can you see any change in the model? Is there any change in the model? There is no change. अरे दिखाई दे रहा नहीं दिखाई दे? Can you see the change or not? Yes, there is a change. No, not values. The data groups have appeared which were not there previously. This is the model for female and this is the model for male. यहाँ पे male and female. The complete model, male and female, separate model, and their path coefficients are also ठीक है, done. But you will come till here only if your MGA is green. All of them are green. Then only you will come to this stage. If it is red, you don't require to come till here. There is no signal. If it's partially green, then also you will have to come here. But if it is completely red, no interpretation is to be done. Stop there. We will say that there is no significant difference in the male and female model. One size will fit all. One solution is for all, but this is only applicable for gender. There can be a different model according to the age. Ma'am, you have lost. Your connectivity is gone. Okay. As soon as your Wi-Fi gets disconnected, I come to know. Clear? This is only applicable for gender. You will have to check for age, occupation, locality, it's known as MGA, multi-group analysis, moderator as a categorical variable. ठीक है?
एज और इनकम के केस में भी ऐसे ही करेंगे.
Yes, ऐसे ही करेंगे. But if there are more than two groups, we will have to do dummy variable analysis, which I will teach later on. Tomorrow, dummy variable analysis. I'll teach you tomorrow. Dummy variable analysis. सिखाओ नहीं सिखाओ? सिखाना है. अच्छा. Dummy variable analysis. We have to create.
Moderators.
Huh?
Sir, this is done for moderators.
No, still we have to discuss moderator as a continuous variable. If there is a moderator as a continuous variable.
Sir, MG is basically performed for which variable?
If your moderator is categorical.
Okay, sir. Okay. And I have one question, sir, in chatbot.
If you are having many constructs, yes, you go for 7-point Likert scale. I hope you are discussing from the reliability and validity angle. You then
Yes,
go
sir,
for yes, then you go for 7-point, because if you are many construct, then you will not have freedom, or rather the pattern. There will be a issue of multicollinearity. Okay. Next level. Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed? Okay. What is the probability? यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. What is the probability that a teenager meets with an accident? I don't want any percentage. I'm just writing P1. क्या है क्वेश्चन? क्या है? What is the probability teenager meets with an accident? What is the probability that a person in a drunk condition meets with an accident? What is the probability that a person driving a vehicle at the night meets with an accident? What is the probability that a person listening a loud music meets with an accident? What is the probability that a person driving a SUV car meets with an accident? Okay, now listen. A teenager driving a SUV car in an alcohol abuse state in the night condition, what is the probability? What is the probability? ठीक है, ये कई बार न्यूज में आता है ना कि इतने बाराती ट्रक में जा रहे थे और ठोक दिया. क्यों? क्या होता है? what happens? why? One, there is a distraction. Second, वो खुद तो पिएंगे, ड्राइवर को भी पिलाएंगे. ठीक है. लाउड म्यूजिक. ठीक है. मतलब यू आर हैविंग all the equipments necessary to do the blast. ठीक है, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, सारा सामान है डिस्ट्रक्शन का. दिस इज नोन एज इंट्रैक्शन इफेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? P1 into, it will be into P1 into P2 into P3 into P4 into P5. Your probabilities increase. Okay, your probabilities increase. Now I want to introduce the moderation in my model. How can I do? Go in the model. All of you go in the model. Okay. Disconnect this. Done? Yes or no? Done? Done? Bring this, listen, bring this here. है ना, वो हो जाएगा ना, कोई बात नहीं. Now I want to introduce value for the insurance as a moderator. ठीक है? On what? Loyalty to trust. Very simple. Connect this line perpendicularly. Perpendicular. Done? हो गया? Did we check reliability and validity? रह गया ना चेक करना. अरे करेंगे नहीं करेंगे? अरे मैं हूं रिसोर्स पर्सन, आई विल डिसाइड. करेंगे नहीं करेंगे? नहीं करेंगे. क्यों नहीं करेंगे? कुछ नया ब्लू नहीं आया. जब तक नया ब्लू नहीं आता है तब तक नथिंग. डोंट डू एनी टेस्टिंग. इसकी फ्रॉम वेयर आई विल गेट द इफेक्ट? इट्स इफेक्ट विल बी कैप्चर्ड वेयर? इन स्पेसिफिक नहीं होगा वहां पे. स्पेसिफिक इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट में नहीं आएगा. डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट में ही आएगा. इट विल बी इन डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट इन पाथ कोएफिशिएंट्स. It will be in path coefficients. Value for the insurance into loyalty P1 into P2. आ गया? आया? Is it significant? No, it's not significant. So your moderation is not significant. Okay? आगे बढ़े. You are very tired. No.
कोई वेरिएबल हमें ऑल डिपेंड ऑन द रिसर्चर ओनली कि उससे
कई बार ये क्वेश्चन आया है. It depends on literature review and it depends on the type of the variable. I'll give you the example where you will tell me can this be a mediator or not. Okay, I'll give you the example. First, let me complete the moderator part. Again, connect this to this. Done? Done? Okay. Open the report. Path coefficients. Moderation is not there. What is there in the chat box? Yes. उनको लिख दीजिए. Oh, please don't write yes, no. If you are having query, then only because it makes a sound. लिखिएगा. It makes a sound. Shall I proceed? Moderation. अब confusion होता है कि ये moderator है या mediator. I'll rectify the model and you will tell me can this be a mediator or not. Let me remove this. See, there is one variable which is gender. कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है? There is one variable which is gender. You don't introduce. I'm just explaining. Now I will connect this, and this. The model will run. The model will definitely run. It will not throw any error. But think logically. Think logically. Can the value for the insurance, sir, listen, can value for the insurance alter the gender of the respondent? So it cannot be a mediator. It can be moderator. And that's the reason we are taking it into MGA, multi-group analysis. Can my variable change the income of the respondent? So income cannot be mediator. It can be. Can my variable change the locality? Right? So any variable which cannot change the basic demographics of the respondent will never be a mediator. Demographics always go into moderator. लिख दीजिए. 20 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा. देखिए फिर से मैं बोलता हूं. हाँ, अभी तो समझाया आपको. मॉडरेटर, एनी वेरिएबल विच कैन नॉट चेंज द डेमोग्राफिक्स. ठीक है, ऐसा हो सकता है कि लॉयल्टी कैन चेंज द डेमोग्राफिक्स, can change the gender, can change the income. No, it cannot change. So demographics never goes into mediator. It will be always moderator. It moderates the relationship. Or in other words, we carry out a separate analysis for male, female according to the income group. Is my model differing or not? For example, urge for buying the new car. It is seen more, I'm saying more the probabilities. It is seen more in males. Going for shopping, females. It's a gender bias example, but please consider it. There is one study at the national level, international level, in which it was found that don't try to defame female. Even males are more towards shopping. That is also one research which was being done. So she can relax nicely. She was very happy. Okay, why we are only being blamed? Okay, so here we are trying to compare two models. My advertisement for a particular group, will the same advertisement be applicable for another group, or I'll have to change it? Change it. Depends upon. Now I'll give you, there is managerial implication. सुबह से ये मेरे पीछे पड़े थे सुबह में, सर managerial implications आपको बोलने ही हैं, ये डायलॉग आप लिख दीजिए. देखिए, there are some products in which we require two different advertisements. Okay, कोई ऐड आई थी ना, वो क्या था उसमें, जिसमें मेल और फीमेल की एडवर्टाइजमेंट अलग बनाई गई, जिसमें शाहरुख खान लिया गया था, और उसमें ये था लक्स का जो सोप. it was a stereotypes that Lux is being used by more females, then Shahrukh Khan was introduced. So two different class, male and female. There are some advertisements which serves the purpose, or rather one solution is enough, or rather one advertisement is enough. It is a general. It's a general advertisement. We don't require a different advertisement according to the gender, locality, income group. We don't require it. So this model will try to find it out. Do we require one single solution for all or separate solution for all? Clear? Shall I proceed? Last कर लेते हैं. You are tired, I know. ठीक है, last कर लेते हैं. Now here we are having a concept of quadratic model. What is quadratic model? The growth of COVID, was it linear? It was exponentially. So I want to find out that the value for insurance, is it moving linearly? Is it affecting linearly, or there is a quadratic nature in it? So if I want to activate quadratic, what I'll do, I'll click on quadratic effect, done. Click here, 1. So 1, 2, and 3, all quadratic. It will give you an indication. Please click here and all 3 effects will get activated. Quadratic effect, QE, and you will get the estimates of this in path coefficients. These are known as a non-linear model in SmartPLS. Non-linear model, not linear. These are non-linear model in SmartPLS. Is quadratic effect present? No, there is no quadratic effect. Where they are significant? There are no significant. Where they are significant? Papa's chai. Dopamine. These are my favorite students. Quadratic effect. A p-value. Oh, these are the direct effects. ठीक है.